continuously acquire knowledge. I will do hard work. Succeed.
and succeed.
Going to discuss about 3-digit square, same unit.
Cell. So in this class we'll discuss about the cell. Basically what is cell?
नाइन्थ स्टैंडर्ड के चैप्टर्स हीरोन्स फॉर्मूला पर बिफोर वी स्टार्ट दैट हमें पहले ये समझना होगा कि ये चैप्टर्स क्या कहता है, व्हाट शुड वी स्टडी इन दैट चैप्टर. सो दिस पर्टिकुलर चैप्टर इज बेस्ड ऑन ट्राइंगल्स, दैट मीन्स एरियाज ऑफ ट्राइंगल. सो फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल वी हैव टू नो what's the mean of triangle. You know it in your earlier classes, you have studied that triangle means closed figure with 3 sides. I repeat, closed figure with 3 sides. If we will go through the different kind of triangles according to sides, so we have isosceles triangle, scalene triangle and equilateral triangle. Isosceles जिनकी 2 sides equal होती है, equilateral triangle all the sides are equal, and scalene triangles all the 3 sides are unequal or different. So these kind of triangles, so whenever we are going to start or whenever we are going to find the area of triangle, so area of triangle we can consider half into base into height. So first of all we have to know area of triangle, that will be half into base into height. So height should be perpendicular. Height should be perpendicular. We have to know that thing. Height should be perpendicular. Now, this is the basic formula which is very common to know the area of triangle. But thing is that what happens when the height and when the perpendicular is not given. In that situation, we should go for the Heron's formula. And before we start the Heron's formula, we should know about the area of triangle of equilateral triangle. That means area of triangle in equilateral. So area of an equilateral triangle √3/4 side square. √3/4 side is square. Now after that the triangle, area of triangle, now third point, area of triangle when all 3 sides are given, that is known as Heron's formula. Now what we do, whenever in a triangle all the 3 sides are equal, that means we can use the formula of an equilateral triangle. Whenever perpendicular or height is given, we can go for that one. But thing is that what happens when these both calculations and these both conditions won't be applicable, and in that situation we just use the Heron's formula. Before we move in Heron's formula, we have to consider how can we use that one. This is a triangle ABC. Now first of all, opposite side of a vertex is a small a. That means it is a small a, it will be small b and it will be small c. Again, opposite side of a vertex will be a small a. That means a vertex के opposite side small a होगी, b vertex के opposite side small b होगी and c vertex के opposite side small c होगी. So before start Heron's formula, we should know perimeter of triangle. What is the mean of perimeter? Perimeter means sum of all sides. So that is known as sum of all sides of a triangle. That means perimeter you can consider. So perimeter of triangle equals to AB plus BC plus AC, or you can say also A plus B plus C. Now when we are going to start the Heron's formula, first of all we have to use steps. Now first of all we have to use Heron's formula steps. First step is we should know the semi-perimeter of a triangle. Semi-perimeter of a triangle, that is denoted by S. This S means A plus B plus C divided by 2. That means what should we do? We should calculate the perimeter, and perimeter must be divided by 2. That means half of the perimeter is known as a semi-perimeter, and that is denoted by S. So first of all, to use the formula of Heron's, we have to calculate the semi-perimeter, that should be known as small s, and that is A plus B plus C by 2. Now step second, when you get the semi-perimeter, then area of triangle, that means area or delta we can use also, area of triangle, square root S into S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. That means what we do, we have to use the specific formula. In that specific formula we have to calculate square root of S into S minus A, S minus B and S minus C. So in that formula we can use the area of triangle by using Heron's formula. Now what we are doing in next session, I am just going to solve and just show you how to calculate and how to verify both the method, that means that one, area of triangle using half into base into height, and using area of triangle using Heron's formula. Now what we do, we have to calculate the area of triangle ABC when AB equals to 3 cm and BC equals to 4 cm. When you go through this triangle, it is clearly mentioned that angle B equals to 90 degrees. So whenever angle B equals to 90 degree, that means this is a right angle triangle. Again I am going to repeat it. When angle B equals to 90 degree, that means in triangle ABC, angle B equals to 90 degree. When angle B equals to 90 degree, then area of triangle ABC will be half into base into height, because this is a perpendicular. So what we do, base will be 4 centimeter, that will be 3 centimeter. So base will be 4 centimeter, height will be 3 centimeter. Whenever we are going to calculate the area, unit will be centimeter square. Before this centimeter and this centimeter will be multiplied, and you will get the centimeter square. So now what we do, that will be 6 centimeter square will be area of using right angle triangle and using the half into base into. Now but our point of discussion is Heron's formula. So now what we do, we know one theorem that is known as a Pythagoras theorem, and that can be applicable on a right angle triangle. So what we do, we just calculate hypotenuse, or we should calculate the AC using Pythagoras theorem, because this formula, this question again we solved using Heron's formula. मुझे ये क्वेश्चन Heron's formula से भी सॉल्व करना है, तो आपको एक चीज ध्यान रखनी है कि Heron's formula का यूज हम तब कर सकते हैं जब हमें तीनों साइड्स ट्राइंगल की 3 साइड्स गिवन हो. इज दैट क्लियर? जब आपके पास ट्राइंगल की तीनों साइड्स गिवन हो, उस सिचुएशन में आप Heron's formula का यूज कर सकते हैं. बट राइट नाउ मेरे पास A और B, that means 2 sides given है, 3 sides की third side given नहीं है, but I know the third side is a hypotenuse because it is a right angle triangle. So what we do, first of all we should calculate hypotenuse by using Pythagoras theorem. So we know that angle B equals to 90 degree. So using Pythagoras theorem, AC square equals to AB square plus BC square. In that situation, it will be 3 centimeter square plus 4 centimeter square, 9 centimeter square plus 16 centimeter square, that will be 25 centimeter square. So now we should calculate AC, that will be 5 centimeter. So first of all, in this triangle we should get, this is a A, this is a B, this is a C, it is a 4 centimeter, it is a 3 centimeter, it is a 5 centimeter. So now in this triangle we can see the 3 sides are given. So I told you previously, whenever 3 sides of a triangle is given, in that situation we can use the Heron's formula. Now same question I have to find the area by using Heron's formula, and in that situation we have to get the same answer. That can be clarified, that can be justify our method. So using Heron's formula, first of all we should calculate S. What's the mean of S? I told you semi-perimeter. Here is a A, so opposite of A, that will be small a, opposite vertex of small capital, opposite sides of a vertex B will be small b, opposite side of the C vertex will be small c. So A, B, C, A is a 4 centimeter, B is a 5 centimeter, and that is a 3 centimeter. Divide by 2, 4 plus 5 9, 9 plus 3 12, 12 divided by 2 6 centimeter. Now area, or you can use delta sign also here, S into S minus A, S minus B, and S minus C. So now S is a 6, 6 minus 4, 6 minus 5, and 6 minus 3 centimeter square, because unit of square is a unit of area is a centimeter square here. So 6 minus 4 2, 6 minus 5 1, 6 minus 3 will be 3 centimeter square. So that is a 6 into 2 into 1 into 3 centimeter square. 6 we can write 2 into 3. We should calculate the factor of 6, and that is a 2 into 3. Again this 2, 1 and 3. Now we know it very well, the pair of 2. So it come 2 outside of the square root and 2 पेयर, यहाँ पे एक सिंगल पेयर है, 2 पेयर में से एक 3 बाहर आएगा. दैट मीन्स आपके पास होगा 2 into 3 centimeter square or 6 centimeter square. Now you will get the same answer, this one and this one. Mean of that, आपको हीरोन्स फॉर्मूले का यूज तब करना है जब आपके पास ट्राइंगल की तीनों साइड्स गिवन हो. फर्स्ट ऑफ ऑल सबसे पहले आपको उसमें सेमी पेरीमीटर निकालना है. सेमी पेरीमीटर का मतलब होता है ट्राइंगल की तीनों साइड्स का सम डिवाइड बाय 2 और हाफ ऑफ सम ऑफ 3 साइड्स. आफ्टर दैट यू शुड गो फॉर द फॉर्मूला that is known as the square root of S into S minus A, S minus B, and S minus C. Now S you know, A you know, B and C also is known. So what you do, put the value of A, B and C and just make a factor of that one. And जैसे perfect square में से पेयर बना के आपको डिजिट को बाहर निकालना है, if that will be possible, तो रूट हट जाएगा. अदरवाइज अगर कोई पेयर में कोई नहीं आता, it will be inside in the root and that will be unit centimeter square, meter square. This kind of unit you can use. Now the next question is, find the area of a triangle when two sides 8 and 11 centimeter and the perimeter is 32 centimeter. In that question you have to use the area of triangle. मैंने आपको कहा था हीरोन्स फॉर्मूला हम तब कैलकुलेट करेंगे when the 3 sides of a triangle is given. But thing is that यहाँ पर आपके पास 2 sides है और थर्ड साइड्स की जगह पर आपके पास पेरीमीटर गिवन है. सो सॉल्यूशन में हमें क्या ध्यान रखना होगा, पेरीमीटर of triangle that is 32 सेंटीमीटर और दैट इज गिवन। अब पेरीमीटर का मतलब होता है तीनों साइड्स का सम, दैट मीन्स a प्लस b प्लस c इक्वल्स टू 32 सेंटीमीटर। a मीन्स 8 सेंटीमीटर, b मीन्स 11 सेंटीमीटर and c is not given, so 32 centimeter, 8 plus 11 that is 19 centimeter plus c equals to 32 centimeter. C we should calculate 32 minus 19, that is 13 centimeter. So what's the mean of that? A triangle where those two sides are 8, 11 and the third side is 13. Now what should you do? One side is 8, 11 and 13 centimeter. Now to calculate the area of triangle, first of all we should calculate semi-perimeter. A plus b plus c divided by 2. A means 8 plus 11 plus 13. Right now we calculate that one. It will be 32 upon 2, that is 16 centimeter. Now area 16 into 16 minus a, that means 8, 16 minus 11 and 16 minus 13, that will be centimeter square. Now after that, that will be 16 into 8 into 5 into 3. After that what we do, हमें पता है कि 16 का स्क्वायर रूट होगा 4, और या हम यू भी कैलकुलेट कर सकते हैं, हम we just took a factor of that one. 16 we can write 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 2 to जा 4, 4 to जा 8, 8 to जा 16. 8 को हम 2 into 2 into 2 फैक्टर की फॉर्म में राइट करेंगे. 5 it will be same here and 3, that is the centimeter square. Now ये सिंगल पेयर है, that means 2 रिमूव होगा, 2 बाहर आएगा, यहाँ से 2, ये अगेन 2, और इसका कोई पेयर नहीं है, so what we do, 2 into 5 into 3 will be inside the square root. It will be 8, 2 5 is 10 and 10 3 is 30, so answer will be 8 root 30 centimeter square of the area of this given triangle. Now the last pattern of this exercise, in this question it is clearly mentioned the perimeter of triangle is 450 meter and the remaining sides are not given. Apart from that ratio of these sides are given. In this sense आपके पास sides का ratio है, sides नहीं है. That means इससे पहले जो हमने क्वेश्चंस किए थे उनमें ट्राइंगल्स की साइड मेंशन थी. कई बार आपके पास ट्राइंगल की 2 साइड्स एंड पेरीमीटर मेंशन था, तो हमने उस पेरीमीटर का यूज करके रिमेनिंग थर्ड साइड फाइंड आउट किया था. बट इन दैट क्वेश्चन आपके पास कोई भी साइड गिवन नहीं है. अपार्ट फ्रॉम दैट आपको रेशियो गिवन है. सो व्हाट यू डू, फर्स्ट you have to calculate the value of side. So in that situation when you start the solution आपको क्या करना है, let the ratio of sides आपको रेशियो के साथ वेरिएबल 13x 12x and 5x यूज करना है. Then perimeter of triangle इक्वल्स टू 450 मीटर. आपको पता है पेरीमीटर का मतलब होता है सम ऑफ साइड्स, सो वी जस्ट मेक द एडिशन ऑफ ऑल 3 साइड्स. रेशियो 12x प्लस 5x इक्वल्स टू 450 मीटर. 13 प्लस 12 दैट मींस 25 and 5 30x equals to 450 meter and x equals to 450 upon 30. The last pattern of this exercise, in that question it is clearly mentioned that the perimeter of triangle is given and the second thing ratio of sides is also given. अभी तक हमने जो क्वेश्चन किए हैं उनमें से ट्राइंगल की एक पैटर्न में ट्राइंगल की तीनों साइड्स गिवन थी एंड सेकंड पैटर्न में आपके पास ट्राइंगल की 2 साइड्स एंड पेरीमीटर कैलकुलेट कर रखा था. सो यूजिंग दैट पेरीमीटर मैंने थर्ड अननोन साइड्स को कैलकुलेट किया एंड आफ्टर दैट वी जस्ट स्टार्टेड टू गेट द सॉल्यूशन ऑफ हीरोन्स फॉर्मूला. नाउ इन दिस क्वेश्चन कोई भी साइड गिवन नहीं है. apart from that यहाँ रेशियो मेंशन है. So in that situation what we do, first of all we just consider the ratio of sides of a triangle are 13x, 12x and 5x and perimeter of triangle 450. ये already आपके पास given information है. After that perimeter का मतलब sum of sides होता है, तो सारी sides को हमने add किया, that equals to 450 meter and 30 meter equals to 450 meter. X will be 15. So first side of a triangle that is A equals to 13x, that is 13 into 15, that will be 45, 195. Second side of a triangle that is known as a B equals to 12x, 12 into 15, that is 180 meter. Now third side of a triangle that is known as a C, that is a 5x, so 5 into 15, 75 meter. Now this is a simple question in which all the three sides are given. One is 190, second is 180 and third is 75 meter. Now what we do now to calculate area, हमें क्या करना पड़ेगा, सबसे पहले S कैलकुलेट करना पड़ेगा. दैट मीन्स सेमी पेरीमीटर, दैट इज नॉन एज A plus B plus C divided by 2. A means 195, 180 and 75. Now after that what we get, here also given that 195 plus 180 plus 75 divided by 2, that means 450 divided by 2, that will be 225 meter. Now area S means 225 minus 195, 225 minus 180 and 225 minus 75. Now what we get, 225 into 225 minus 195 will be 30, 225 minus 180, that means 45, and again 225 minus 75, 150, and that will be meter square. Now what we do, we should calculate the factor of that one, and we know that 225 we can write as a 15 into 15, factor of 30, 2 into 3 into 5. If you can't get the factor of 30, आपको 30 का फैक्टर के लिए स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर का डिवाइड देना पड़ेगा, एंड यू विल गेट द वैल्यू 2 into 3 into 5, now 45, 3 3s are 9 and 9 5s are 45, again 150. So 150, if you want to get the 150 factor, 75 so that will be 2 into 3 into 5 into 5 meter square. Now that will be 15 के पेयर में से एक बार आएगा. Calculate the value of 2, 1 2, so that will be again 1 time 2, 3 देखो 1 2 3 4, that means 2 times 3, 1 2 3 4, 4 times 5 यानी 5 into 5 2 times, 15 to 30, 9 5 45, 45 into 5 meter square, so that will be 150 into 45 meter square. So that answer will be 6,750 meter square. So this this is the process to get the answer, get the area of triangle when the sides of ratio when the sides are in the form of the ratio. So first of all we have to calculate the difference measurement of the side, and after that the same formula we will use to calculate the area.